In this video, I'm going to explain the formation of the Yellowstone Caldera and how it relates to other geologic features in Yellowstone National Park, like Mallard Lake Dome and Yellowstone Lake. First up, we have the Yellowstone supervolcano. You can get a sneak peek of that behind me. It's easy to picture the typical volcano when you hear supervolcano, but this volcano is different from other volcanoes because it is a caldera. Caldera has a cauldron-like shape that forms as a result of repeated super eruptions, underlying hot spots, and collapse of magma chambers. Super eruptions are pretty easy to imagine from exactly like what they are, but what are hot spots? The hotspot theory states that the source of heat that drives Yellowstone thermal and volcanic activity is a hotspot, and that is present in the upper mantle of the Earth's crust. The Yellowstone Caldera hotspot lies under a thick continental crust. 3 main volcanic cycles occurred to form this caldera millions of years ago. You can still see evidence of them. In fact, the eruptions from the caldera cycles were so big that evidence of them can be seen all the way from space. It is estimated that the most recent eruption occurred about 70,000 years ago. And geologists hypothesize that the Yellowstone Caldera will erupt again someday far in the future. They also say that the Yellowstone Caldera eruption will spew out about 250 cubic miles of ash, dust, and gas. The Yellowstone Caldera is home to 2 small resurgent domes, and one of those domes is Mallard Lake Dome. Mallard Lake Dome formed from a body of very hot, high viscosity substance. This substance generated a lot of volcanic material over many years. Mallard Lake Dome is actually bulging up at a very fast rate of just a little more than ½ an inch per year. Yellowstone Lake formed as an addition to the Yellowstone Caldera. During one of the volcanic cycles of the Yellowstone Caldera, rhyolite lava filled in the depression that was left from one of the eruptions. Then later on, during the Ice Age, a glacier found its way to the Yellowstone Plateau. As this glacier moved and ground down the surrounding rock, the glacier melted and it left behind Yellowstone Lake. And that is all I have for you.